Can you blow a kiss? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend, the skunk? Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Good. How about a knock at the door? Can you sing in the shower? Happy birthday? Einstein, are we in trouble? How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Is it dusty? Good. Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here.